Most English learners use simple past every day and sound wrong every single time. I'm about to show you the one shift that changes everything. Simple past isn't just about adding. Confident speakers feel the moment. They anchor themselves in it. She walked in. He called. They left without saying goodbye. Feel that? That's finished. That's certain. That's power. Here's where most people fail. They mix past with present in their mind, and it leaks into their speech. Fluent speakers don't do that. Now, the advanced insight I promised. Native speakers often drop the time marker because the past tense itself carries the meaning. I called. No yesterday needed. You just leveled up. Comment the word past if you felt that click. Tomorrow, we go deeper, and trust me, you're not ready. Don't miss it.